Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time on my channel. My name is Karen, and as you guys can see in today's video, we will be talking about HFX. What is HFX? What is the hype all about? So HFX stands for high frequency trading, also known as binary options or options trading. So here is how high frequency trading works. It is time-based trading, and what I mean by time trading, you're entering trades for a minimum of 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, like very short period of time frames. And depending on what you predict the market is going to do, if you predicted the market is going to be above a certain price in the market and you forecasted that correctly, you win a trade. Keep in mind that this is different from margin trading. With high frequency trading or option trading, you are not worried about lot sizes or take profits, pips. You're not worried about none of that. There is no stop losses, there's no take profits, and you don't have to worry about pips. With option trading, you are working with pipettes and not pips as compared to margin trading. In the next footage, I'm going to share my laptop screen with one of the trading platforms that I trade on, just to show you how I would enter a trade, how I would make money, how I would know how much I would make, how much I would know how I would know how much I would lose, and so forth. Let's get into it. With high frequency trading, you're able to still trade regular currencies, you're able to trade cryptocurrencies, you're able to trade commodities, and also stocks. And as you guys can see here, some examples are Facebook, McDonald's, Bank of America, Google, and these are just some examples of stocks that you are able to trade on this platform. You also have commodities, silver, gold, cryptocurrencies, you have Bitcoin, etc., right? Regular currencies. So USD CAD just stands for the US dollars versus the Canadian dollar. These percentages that you see on my screen right here, they all determine how much you're gonna make and what your payout is. As you can see, most of them are 80%. There's some that's 75, 73, 60, 51, 45, 10%. So, for example, if you enter a trade for USD CAD, right? USD CAD, the payout is 80%. So what you would get back in return would be 80% of what you initially traded with. So example, if you entered a trade for $10, your payout, your total payout will be $18 because your profit will be $8. I'll also show you in a second how you can tell how much you'll make. One thing that I love about high frequency is that you're able to see how much you're going to lose and also how much you will be making. It's a fixed amount. You cannot change it. It will not be changed. Once it says that you will make this amount, that's what you will be making. So at the bottom of my screen right here, it's showing me the purchase time. So the purchase time is the time frame that you choose to enter a trade in. So let's say you want to enter a trade for 1 minute, you would have your purchase time set at 1 minute. Let's say you want to enter a trade for 5 minutes, be in a trade for 5 minutes, you will change it to 5 minutes here. Also, it shows me here the trade amount, your order amount, right? If you want to enter a trade for $80, you put $80 here. You want to change that to 100, you put that 100 there, and that amount is what you will be risking to enter a trade. The green button right here, that just means call, which also means buy. The market is going up, right? So when you press this green button right here, you're pretty much predicting that the market is going to go up, so you press that button. The red button now, it's called put. also known as sell. So you're predicting that the market is going to go down. So for example, let's say we enter a trade for a put. The market just has to keep going down for that 5 minutes in order for you to win that trade. And I'll show you in a second what I mean by that. So I actually just entered a trade for a sell, or a put as we call it. And as you guys can see, it shows my estimated amount. Well, it tells me my estimate profit. And as you guys can see, my profit is $180. And as you guys can see here, my payout is $180. I entered this trade for 1 minute. It's still going downward. It shows me that my estimated profit is $180. So that $180 includes the trade amount, which is $100, and it also includes that 80% of that $100. So that's why it's $180. So just enter the trade for a buy. I just want to show you how it works when you're losing a trade, right? So right now I'm making no money. It says estimate profit 0. The reason why it says 0 is because I entered for a buy and the current price is below that green line. The green line just shows the entry. So it's below that green line. It's going in the opposite direction. So I will be losing this trade, and I will only lose that $100 that I risk to enter this trade. So as we wait for that 1 minute to be up, all right, so there you go. That's an example of how it works when you lose a trade. You lose $100. Take that into perspective. I just made that in 1 minute, right? Not an hour, 1 minute. So pretty much that's how it works when you're winning a trade, when you're losing a trade. And this is pretty much the trading platform, how it looks. Well, one of the trading platforms that I use. So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for tuning in just to gain more knowledge. If you have any more questions or any concerns about this, definitely reach out to me. I will have my Telegram link down in my channel where you guys could join my exclusive chat, and also you guys will be able to reach out to me personally and have a one-on-one conversation where I can answer any more questions that you may have based off of this video, and we can definitely connect. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you do not miss any of my future videos. And I hope you have a really great day or night or evening, whatever time you're watching this video, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.